Hello there, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another pronunciation video for you. As you can tell, I love doing pronunciation videos because I think this is a great learning process for you and for me as well. I always learn something when I do research online about a certain sound, so I really enjoy doing videos about pronunciation. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and remember to hit the bell for notifications. Without further ado, let's get cracking. 那今天这个视频的主题呢，是来自油管上一个朋友的提问。这个朋友问说：“凡凡，请分享一下这个单词以及 L 的相关发音吧。我周围人的发音已经快让我崩溃了。”那么这个问题呢，提得特别好。其实我也一直想做这些单词的发音练习，是因为我发现就是我们的这个中国口音有一个特殊的形式，会把这些单词念得不标准。比方说这个单词我们会念成 feeling。再比方说这个单词我们会念成 spelling。如果看视频的你现在说凡凡我不是这样念的，我念的是正确的 ，good for you。但是我相信有很大一部分朋友在念的时候，下意识的就会把这些单词念成 feeling、smelling 和 spelling。今天在这个视频当中就带大家一起做一下纠音练习，并且在视频的最后我会带大家来进行句子的练习。如果感兴趣的话，就一直看下去吧。好，我们先从这个单词本身开始。那么这个单词非常简单，中间是一个长音的 e， 然后呢只有一个音节。但是这个单词有一个难点，就是在最后这个 dark l。那么今天这个视频我不会来专门讲这个 light l and dark l， 因为这个确实挑战性很大。我想把重点放在这个单词和这个单词上。但是呢，这个单词你要念好，还是要把那个 dark L 念好。就是我看了这个 Rachel's English， 还有另外一个英国老师的教学视频，他们都提到这个 dark L 在念的时候呢，就是你的舌头不要贴到这个牙齿的后面，就是这样这个是一个 light L 的念法。你只需要把这个舌尖贴近于这个牙齿后面这个部分，然后呢舌头稍微往后回缩，就是这样的一个音，就是这个音很难，所以这个单词它的这个正确发音是 feel。这个单词念起来非常容易，很多朋友说哎呀不要教了，太简单了。但是呢，很奇怪的是，我发现当这个单词变成 ing， 变成动名词或分词的时候，我们这个中国的学生就很有可能把它念成 feeling。那么这样念其实是一个错误的念法，为什么呢？我们看一下 feeling 这个单词，它的这个音标到底是怎么写的？那我们发现就是在这个单词加了 ing 之后呢，它有两个音节。那么第一个音节就是这个 fee， 就是这个音节。然后呢，后面这个 l 这个音就跟着后边这个 ing 组成了一个音节，所以就是 ling， 所以就不是 feel。 No The right pronunciation is feeling。大家听听，这个时候其实这个 L 从一个 dark L 变成了一个 light L， 明白了吗？所以单词它本身念的时候是 feel 是一个 dark L， 但是由于变成 ing 之后呢，后面又变成一个音节，这个时候 L 就变成了一个 light L， 也就是 feeling。好，同理可证。那么这个单词呢，我们要单独念它本身的动词就是 spell。我们很多朋友认为这个单词本身这样念 spell 之后再加一个 ing， 它就会念成 spelling， 这样念是不对的。为什么呢？我们看一下这个单词的音标。现在我们知道这个规律了，就是它加了 ing 之后呢，这个 l 和后面这个 ing 变成一个音节，所以这个单词的正确念法是 spelling。Okay, next we're going to do a pronunciation exercise. You are going to read some sentences after me, and all these sentences have the words feel, feeling, spell, and spelling. Okay, here we go. The first word, feel. I feel good. Okay, the next one. I feel so sorry for her. Feel. I feel so sorry for her. I feel so sorry for her. Okay, the third one. How do you feel about moving to another city? How do you feel about, there's a linking here. How do you feel about moving to another city? How do you feel about moving to another city? 那么它这个地方呢有一个连读，所以在进行连读的时候，这个 dark L 就归到下一个音节，所以就变成一个 light L。所以你念快的时候不会念成 feel about， 这样念比较别扭，你会念成 feel about。
Feel. I feel good. I feel good. I feel so sorry for her. I feel so sorry for her. How do you feel about moving to another city? How do you feel about moving to another city?
Okay, the next word. Feeling. 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 The first sentence. How I'm feeling. How I'm feeling. How are you feeling? How I'm feeling. Okay. The next sentence. I've got this strange feeling in my stomach. I've got this strange feeling in my stomach. Feeling. I've got this strange feeling in my stomach. I've got this strange feeling in my stomach. I've got this strange feeling in my stomach. Alright, the next sentence. I'm feeling terrible. I'm feeling terrible. I'm feeling terrible.
Feeling. How are you feeling? How are you feeling? I've got this strange feeling in my stomach. I've got this strange feeling in my stomach. I'm feeling terrible. I'm feeling terrible.
Alright, now on to the next word. Spell. Spell. Ooh, spell. Spell. Okay, the first sentence. How do you spell your name? How do you spell your name? Spell. Okay, the next sentence. Some words are difficult to spell. Some words are difficult to spell. Some words are difficult to spell. 那么快一点念，有一点连读的感觉，就是 Some words are difficult to spell. The next sentence. She always spells my name wrong. She always spells my name wrong. She always spells my name wrong.
Spell. How do you spell your name? How do you spell your name? Some words are difficult to spell. Some words are difficult to spell. She always spells my name wrong. She always spells my name wrong.
Okay, on to the last word for today. Spelling. 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 Okay, the first sentence to practice. Your essay is full of spelling mistakes. 那么这句话要念得快一点呢，要注意有这么一个连读，就是 full of. Full of. 其实这个地方也是一个 dark L 变成一个 light L 的现象 full of. Full of. 那么拼写错误就是 spelling mistakes. Spelling mistakes. 这句话慢一点念就是 Your essay is full of spelling mistakes. Your essay is full of spelling mistakes. Okay, the last sentence. He's very good at spelling. He's very good at spelling. He's very good at spelling. 那么注意这句话当中有一个很快速的连读，就是这个 good at. Good at. 那么这个语法是 at， 它弱读之后就会念成 at，那么连读之后就是 good at，good at。He's very good at spelling. He's very good at spelling.
Spelling. Spelling. Your essay is full of spelling mistakes. Your essay is full of spelling mistakes. He's very good at spelling. He's very good at spelling.
Okay, this is today's video. I hope you found it useful, and if you have any other pronunciation questions, feel free to leave your comments down below. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!